Good morning, 7th grade. Welcome to our 4th lesson. I hope you're enjoying these online lessons and that you're studying in your free time. Today, we're in Unit 5, Lesson 4, page 66 and 67. This is what the first page looks like. When does the cafe open? Today, we're going to learn how to ask questions that start with how many, questions that start with where, and questions that start with what time. Okay, let's begin. Page 66. This is descriptions of a hotel, and there is a map of the hotel. A hotel is a place that people can come pay to stay in for a vacation or a trip. Just listen and follow with your eyes as I read this section. The Village Hotel is a great place for young people. You can dance at the swing disco, see films at the hotel cinema, or visit the exciting computer games room. The hotel has 500 twin rooms and 100 single rooms, all with bathrooms and showers. And there are 2 restaurants where you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There is a car park next to the hotel. This is all about the Village Hotel. You tell me, can you dance at the hotel? Yes. How many twin rooms are there? 500. And how many single rooms are there? 100. Can you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the hotel? Yes, you can. Okay, let's continue. Let's read the section about sport. Right here, sport. I will read and you can repeat. There is a fabulous swimming pool and a large gymnasium for gymnastics, basketball, and volleyball. There are also 4 tennis courts. You can relax in the Star Cafe in the beautiful park. So these are sports. Gymnastics is like flips, acrobatics. Basketball is dribbling, shooting the ball. Volleyball is where there's a net and you pass the ball like this or like this. Tennis courts is when you have a racket and you hit the ball. There's also a cafe in the park. Okay, now I will read and you just listen, follow with your eyes. Shopping. There is a WYG shop, a bookshop, and a small supermarket next to the swimming pool. And you can change money in the bank. Communications. You can make telephone calls from the hotel. There are also phone boxes opposite the information office near the first aid center. There is a post office next to the bank. Okay, so let's talk about shopping. There is a WYG shop. What else is there? A bookshop. A small supermarket. At a supermarket, you buy food. And what is it near to? It's near the swimming pool. Okay, let's look at the communication section. It says you can make telephone calls from the hotel. It also says there are phone boxes. Phone boxes are places for a public phone that anyone can pay to use. There is a post office and there is a bank. What is a post office? It's where you take letters or mail to be sent. What is a bank? It's a place that stores your money. At the end here, it says, if you have any questions or problems, please come to the information office, open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day. So this is a hotel. Let's answer some questions. Look at your book to answer these questions. Number 1, how many hotel bedrooms are there? Well, we can see there's 500 twin rooms and 100 single rooms in this section. How many total? Let's make a full sentence. There are 600 bedrooms. How many restaurants are there? Continue looking at this section. It says there are 2 restaurants. Make it a sentence. There are 2 restaurants. Number 3, where can you play basketball? Do you see it? In the sports section, it says there's a large gymnasium, sports center, gymnasium. So let's make this a sentence. You can play basketball in the gymnasium. Say it after me. You can play basketball in the gymnasium. How many tennis courts are there? Look in the sports section. There are 4 tennis courts. There are 4 tennis courts. Repeat after me. There are 4 tennis courts. Good. Is there a football stadium? No. There is basketball, gymnastics, volleyball, tennis courts. No football stadium. How would we write that in a sentence? First we take there, then we say is. There is no football stadium. Where can you change money? Look under shopping. It says you can change money in the bank. Change money in the bank. Repeat after me. You can change money in the bank. What does it mean to change money? This means taking your money, like Iraqi dinars, and changing it for US dollars. Okay? Changing to a different kind of money. Number 7, where are the telephones? In this section, it says they're in the hotel. They are in the hotel. And the last question, what time does the information center close? They are open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day. They close at 8 p.m. every day. That's in the evening. PM means evening. AM means morning. Repeat after me. They close at 8 p.m. every day. Good job. Let's look at the next page. So these are the questions. Now here are some locations. Let's find these locations on the map. Look at the map. Where is the hotel? Let's look for the swimming pool. Where is the swimming pool? Number 4 is the swimming pool. Where is the gym? Number 2. So here we can look at the map. This is the swimming pool. This is the gym, number 2. Where are the shops? I'm not sure. Where is the information office? Information office is this here, number 1. Where is the car park? We often also call it parking lot. Car park or parking lot. Where is it? Here, number 11. Where are the tennis courts? Number 3. Where is the bank? Look for a dollar sign. Where is the dollar sign? Number 7. Where is the post office? Where you send letters, receive mail. Number 6. Where is the park? Park. I think it's number 9. Yeah, number 9. Where is the cafe? Remember, the cafe is in the park. So the cafe is number 8. Where is the first aid center? A first aid center is like a small hospital for only small injuries. First aid center is number 12. Let's see, let's go back to this one. Where's the hotel? I think the hotel is number 5. I think this is the hotel because it's near the swimming pool. And where are the shops? The shops, number 10. Here it has a knife and a fork for eating. So I think those are the shops. Number 10. All right, look at the map. I say and you point. Or actually, let me say the number and you say the place. What is number 5? Hotel. What is number 7? Bank. What is number 11? Car park. What is number 2? Gymnasium. What is number 3? Tennis courts. What is number 8? Cafe. What is number 9? Park. What is number 10? Shops. What is number 4? Swimming pool. What is number 1? Information office. Information office. And number 12? First aid center. First aid center. Good. You can review those more on your own. Let's review some prepositions. We have the prepositions in, left, near, next to, opposite, and right. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, this is my phone. In. My phone is in the book. In. In the story, it says the Star Cafe is in the park. In. This word is left. Left. This is my right hand, this is my left hand. So if it's on the left, my phone is on the left. Near. My phone is near the book. My phone is near the book. In the story, says, there are phone boxes opposite the information office near the first aid center. So the phone boxes are near the first aid center. Near. But next to, near, next to, far, near, next to, near, far. Next to, in the story, it says, there's a post office next to the bank. So let's look at that picture. Here, this is the post office, number 6. This is the bank, number 7. They are next to each other. The post office is next to the bank. Opposite. Opposite is facing each other. For example, I am opposite my computer. The computer is here. I am here. So we are looking at each other. We are opposite each other. In the story, it says, there are phone boxes opposite the information office. So the phone boxes are opposite the information office. Here's the phone boxes. Here's the information office. So it's like they are opposite because one is on this side of the road, one is on this side of the road. They are looking at each other. Opposite. Right. This is my right hand. So my phone is on my right. Yeah, my phone is on my right. If you look at the map, you could say the tennis courts are right of the gymnasium. The tennis courts are right of gymnasium. I say, you repeat. In, left, near, next to, opposite, right. These are more prepositions. This says next to, next to. This is to the right of. I could say, I am to the right of my phone. I am to the right of my phone. Or I am to the left of my phone. I am to the left of my phone. This is between. The road is between the shops. Shops are here, road is in between. My book is in between my phone and my headphones. Between. In front of. My phone is in front of my book. In front of. Behind. My phone is behind my book. Behind my book. My phone is under or below my book. My phone is on my book. My phone is next to my book. Okay, these pictures can help you learn these. Review these words on your own. You can pause the video and practice saying them again. Okay, let's act out a short conversation. I will be person A and you be person B. A, good afternoon, can I help you? Yes, please, where's the park? It's on the right, next to the hotel. Thank you. So this is a conversation where we're asking where. So the full form of the question is, where is the... Practice saying a few on your own. Pause the video and ask, where is the park? Where is the information center? Where is the hotel? Use your map for ideas. All right, here's another conversation. I say, you repeat. Excuse me, when does the cafe open? It opens at... I say, excuse me, to be more polite. It's kinder and nicer, okay? Excuse me. This question is asking about time. It's saying, what time does the cafe open? When does the cafe open? To answer the question, we say it for cafe, open, add an S to the verb, at, I could say 8 o'clock. You can also ask, when does it close, please? Repeat after me. When does it close, please? And you can answer, it closes at 10 o'clock, 10:30, okay? I will ask you some questions. Look for the answer here. Excuse me, when does the cafe open? If you look at your book here, it says Star Cafe, open 10 a.m. It opens at 10 a.m. Okay, let me ask you another one. Excuse me, when does the bookshop open? Look at your book. It says 8:30. It opens at 8:30. When does it close, please? Look at your book. It doesn't say a time. We could say it closes at 10 o'clock. Okay, I'll ask you one more. Excuse me, when does the post office open? Look at your book. It opens at 9 a.m. Let me ask you, when does it close, please? It closes at 1 p.m. I could also ask you, what days is it open? What days is it open? You can say it's open Monday and Tuesday. Or it's open every day. Okay? So this is a question of where. This is a question of when. This is a question of also of when, but we're not asking time, we're asking days. What days is it open? Or which days is it open? Repeat after me. It's open Monday and Tuesday. It's open every day. Okay, good. Let's write some sentences about Duhok, where you live. Here's my example. I say, you repeat. I live near Duhok Mall. Balan Bazaar is in Duhok Mall. It opens at 6 o'clock in the morning. El Pida is a cafe near my home. It opens at 7 o'clock and closes at 10 o'clock. So let's look at some of these sentences. So I use the word near here. I also use the word near here. When I talk about the time it opens, I say it opens or closes. Here I use the word in. Remember, in. The phone is in the book. I am in my house. You are in your house. Okay? Now, create some some sentences. Write 5 sentences about your town. Talk about places, where they are, what time they open, what time they close. Okay? So I could ask you, where do you live? I could say, where do you work? These are some ideas. So when you make your 5 sentences, you could say, I live in Duhok. I live near a shop, near a mall, near a gym. And then you can answer, you can continue, it opens at, or it closes at, it is next to, it is behind, it is opposite, okay? So I want to hear 5 sentences using time and place. So do your best. And you can send them to me to correct if you want. Let's categorize some words. So in your book, section 6, there are words right here. Let's put them in the correct position. Do you remember what a noun is? A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. A verb is an action. A preposition is a way of saying where. An adjective describes something. So our first word is at a person, place, or thing? No. An action? No. Is it a location word? Yes. Okay. What about the word beautiful? Is beautiful a person, place, or thing? An action? Preposition? Is it an adjective? Remember, an adjective describes something. A beautiful day. My beautiful friend. A beautiful house. Beautiful. All right. What about cinema? Is cinema an adjective? Is it a preposition word like at, in, on, around, above, over? No, it's not. Is it a verb? No. But is it a noun? Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. It is a place. Place. Let's do one more and you can finish on your own. What about the word eat? Eat. Is eat a noun? Is it an action? Can I say I eat? Yes, it's an action, so we put it under verb. All right, do your best. We can look at these tomorrow in the live class. Put each word from these words into the correct column. For homework, create your 5 sentences, like I showed you earlier. You can also use your student activity book, page 64 and 65, parts 1, 3, and 4. Part 1 is questions about the hotel that you can answer. Part 3, you put the correct words here. For example, the Moon Cafe is open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So put the correct information into the paragraph. Part 4 is more categorizing. Put words under nouns, verbs, prepositions, and adjectives. Do your best. You can send me your homework. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Have a good day and happy studying. Bye.